Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where I share with you the best tips and tricks about crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Bitunix, a new and fast-growing crypto exchange that offers a wide range of features and services. If you're interested in learning how to use Bitunix to trade crypto, then make sure to watch this video until the end and hit the like and subscribe buttons. Now let's get into the main topic of this video, how to create an account on Bitunix. Bitunix is a crypto derivatives exchange founded in November 2021 in Hong Kong by Aaron Lee. Bitunix is a US MSB registrant and SEC compliance exchange, and it has a robust security architecture to protect customers' funds. Bitunix has over 150 cryptocurrencies for trading on the exchange, and it offers spot and derivatives trading, leverage options, low fees, and bonuses for new and existing users. Bitunix also has a user-friendly interface and a mobile app that you can download from Google Play or App Store. To create an account on Bitunix, you need to follow these simple steps. 1. Go to the official website of Bitunix, which is Bitunix.com, and click on the Sign Up button on the top right corner of the page. 2. Enter your email address and a password of your choice, and agree to the terms and conditions. Then, click on the Create Account button. 3. You will receive a verification email from Bitunix. Open the email and click on the link to verify your email address and activate your account. 4. Congratulations, you have successfully created your account on Bitunix. You can now log in to your account and access the dashboard where you can see your balance, portfolio, orders, and more. To start trading on Bitunix, you need to deposit some funds to your account. You can do that by following these steps. 1. Go to the Wallet section on the top right corner of the page and click on the Deposit button. 2. Choose the cryptocurrency that you want to deposit, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, or others. You will see the deposit address and the QR code for that cryptocurrency. Copy the address or scan the QR code with your wallet app. 3. Send the amount of cryptocurrency that you want to deposit to the address or the QR code. Make sure to double-check the address and the amount before sending, as transactions are irreversible. 4. Wait for the confirmation of your transaction on the blockchain. Depending on the network congestion and the cryptocurrency, this may take from a few minutes to a few hours. 5. Once your transaction is confirmed, you will see the amount of cryptocurrency added to your balance on Bitunix. You can now use it to trade on the exchange. To buy some crypto tokens on Bitunix, you need to follow these steps. 1. Go to the Trade section on the top left corner of the page and choose the Spot option. This will take you to the spot trading interface where you can see the charts, the order book, the trading history, and the order form. 2. On the top right corner of the page, you can see the list of trading pairs available on Bitunix. You can search for the token that you want to buy, such as Shiba, Peppercoin, or others, and select the pair that matches your base currency, such as USDT, BTC, or others. 3. On the bottom right corner of the page, you can see the order form where you can choose the type of order that you want to place, such as a limit, market, or stop limit. A limit order lets you specify the price and the amount of tokens that you want to buy, and it will execute only when the market price reaches your limit price. A market order lets you buy the tokens at the current market price, and it will execute immediately. A stop limit order lets you set a trigger price and a limit price, and it will execute a limit order when the market price reaches your trigger price. For this example, let's say you want to place a limit order to buy 1,000 Shiba tokens at 0.0201 USDT per token. You need to enter the price and the amount in the order form and click on the Buy button. You will see a confirmation pop up where you can review your order details and click on the Confirm button. 5. Your order will be placed on the order book, and you can see it on the bottom left corner of the page under the Open Orders tab. You can also cancel or modify your order from there if you change your mind. 6. When the market price reaches your limit price, your order will be executed and you will see the amount of tokens added to your balance on Bitunix. You can also see your order on the bottom left corner of the page under the Order History tab. To learn how to use the derivatives trading and the leverage options on Bitunix, you can watch my other videos where I explain them in detail. Bitunix also offers bonuses for new and existing users, such as a $5,000 bonus for signing up and a 10% referral bonus for inviting your friends. You can check the details and the terms and conditions on their website. I hope you found this video helpful and informative, and that you learned how to create an account on Bitunix and use its features. If you did, please leave a like and a comment and let me know what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I'll see you in the next one, and until then, happy crypto trading.